Hey guys, today we're talking about how to source from Alibaba as a new small business. Let's get started. So you guys, welcome to my channel. This is Farah. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe. Make sure you guys download the free guide that I've created about some Alibaba tips and tricks. Link will be in the description below. Make sure you download it. So why I mention Alibaba.com is because it has a lot of options. It is a huge B2B, a global marketplace where sellers from around the world are listed, and you can find hundreds of thousands of sellers from around the world and in 40 different categories, which is huge. And very few companies in the world are offering this kind of service where you can just browse so many different products in one place. So that's why Alibaba is quite unique in that way. So if you're a small business and you're looking for a product, then you have to try Alibaba. The thing I love about this platform is that you get access to the companies who supply to big retailers like Walmart, Tesco, and you get access to the same companies as a small business too, which is a big advantage because you can source similar quality product, and hopefully you'll be able to find some suppliers who would be willing to work with you within your budget. I also really love their app. It's very user-friendly and you should download it and try it. But today I'm going to show you in this video the overview of the platform, how to use filters, what type of protections are there for the buyers when you're placing orders or sampling. And overall, I want to sort of give you an overview of the platform so you can get used to it. The more you will use this platform, the more you will get comfortable with it. And you don't have to be a big company to be able to deal with them. Like, you can be a small business and still deal with the suppliers there too and work within your budget. And that's the main difference, that it's a B2B, is a business to business platform, not necessarily for consumer shopping. So hopefully by the end of this video you will have a good sense of the platform, what options are there, what certain terms means like trade assurance and verified supplier, all of that, and get a good overview of the platform, how to use filters and everything, and be able to find the product that you're looking for. So let's jump to my screen now and I will take you through it. So here we are on Alibaba. I'm logged into my account. So this is the web interface. You can see it's well laid out. Everything's quite clear. So you will find all the different types of main categories here. There's all sorts of stuff here: consumer electronics, home and garden, beauty, personal care, sports and entertainment. They're all then subcategorized into all these different types of things you can explore, whatever you're searching for. Then you have this section is quite interesting, ready to ship, which I will just go into in a second, but let's just quickly go through like all the different tabs. And then trade shows, if you wanna, they have these different trade shows going on. They had this March Expo going on in March, which was really good. I have some videos on that, but mainly whenever they're promoting a certain event, that's where you'll find it, and you will find great deals in there. Then there are these services which I will cover towards the end of the video. But let's just start with ready to ship, because this is just as they explain, they promoted that it's low MOQ and fast dispatch, and you can just quickly order and get the stuff. So these products, like, they always have this offer, which I find so interesting. They have this fast dispatch, so dispatch within 7 days. So probably these factories already have these products, already ready to go. And if you're not gonna, customize, or there's no customization involved, or you just want to order samples, this would be a really quick way to do it. Then, spend some time exploring. If you don't have a product idea, you will be able to find a product idea from here, like under $10. I will show you in just a second how to use filters, and then you can even find products under $1. But yeah, this is what ready to ship is. You can then, look for what kind of products you're looking for. So obviously, let's just look for the Japanese clay pot. I was looking at that and let's explore the filters. So if you were to source this sort of a product, you have to, you can sub-select. So there are different types. Now, clay pot obviously could be different types of categories, but we're looking for cookware sets. So I'm just going to sub-select that. And then I want to select trade assurance and verified supplier. These are protections that are offered by Alibaba, and you want to make sure that, you know, it's you're using that. Then you have, there's a price filter. So wherever like your, you know, your budget is, that per product I'm going to spend that much, that's where you can add it from. But this is sort of an expensive product idea, so I'll just probably Indian clay pot, small terracotta. Yeah, there's like all sorts of products you can find. Let's look for just a simple product. Maybe, let's say I'm looking for a plush unicorn. Let's use that as an example. Now there's two different types, so I want to explore both. Okay, that's interesting. So straight away you can see that price points are dropped. So if I was just looking for party supplies, this would be interesting. I will select, always select trade assurance and verified supplier. And then what you can do is you can then further select that I want to just see the prices max $2. And you can change, this is showing the prices in pounds. You can also just change the currency to dollars too, because when the suppliers are quoting, they usually quote in dollars, so it's good to be used to it, and you're not always doing currency conversion. So you can select paid samples, ready to ship, all different sort of filters. Make sure you use them. They make your search really easy. And then for this type of product, there's only one region coming up, but let's see if we were to select by, I don't know, denim, jeans, women's jeans, then I think there will be a lot more countries that you'll be able to see which region you want to source from. There's Turkey, there's Vietnam, Taiwan, South Korea, Singapore. So all different sorts of, you know, options are coming up. Then certifications and supply type. Way of searching is that if you have no idea what product you want to look for, then it's good to explore their, you know, these options that they give, like what are the new arrivals. So I'll just open that in another tab so we can check it out. And then there's some drop shipping stuff, customized products. Like, you know, spend some time exploring and really understanding the platform. It really helps. And then they have this feature too, the RFQ, request for quotation. So one request and multiple quotes. So you just type in what you're looking for, you type in your quantity and just request for quotation, and then your messages will be, you will receive all your quotes in here from multiple suppliers. So that's one way of exploring instead of individually texting or messaging the suppliers yourself. So their phone app is really good too, and it's just as good as their website. You can find, you know, all the products and all the True View products too. Like you can see the stuff on the mobile phone too. So their app is really good too. Easier to use, quick access just on your phone. If a particular product, like you're looking for to source tea, you would have to know which region to select from, and then it would help you, you know, select suppliers by region. So that's really interesting. And then I really want to, show you guys trade assurance and inspection services, because these are like two really good services that Alibaba has created that basically make sure that your order is protected. So trade assurance protects online orders when payment is made through Alibaba.com. And further, you want to make sure that you use your credit card to pay for your order. And that's like, a double protection. In case something goes wrong, then you can raise a dispute from that side too. And yeah, so make sure you use this service because it's for your own protection and save you from fraud. And then this is like really cool inspection service that Alibaba has created. So there's two service types. So if you wanted to do production monitoring, that starts from $48, and they can do site visits and, check one piece per item, one carton per item. And you can periodic phone call, like you can get a report, which is really, really helpful because it's third party, isn't it? And then inspection service starts from, $118. And you can see that that's a third party service. And then they have these providers, these different companies, SGS, and if you look here, these are the companies that they're partnering with, and they're professional inspectors, high efficiency. So it's for your peace of mind. If you're doing a larger order, you've done the sampling process and you're happy with that, and then you're placing your first order, then it's worth paying that little bit of money, get the level 1 inspection done, because and look, you guys can just do it through your account. So add the service to your trade assurance order, and then you would be able to complete the payment and you will get the check online report. But it's a really good service that they have tried to make it easy for international buyers to work with Alibaba suppliers and sort of avoid fraud and delays and stuff like that. The last thing I wanted to talk about was that please remember that you are dealing with a business. It's a business to business platform, and patience is the key. You don't act like if there's a delay or there is you try to work with the supplier and be willing to work with the supplier and ask questions if there is miscommunication or you feel confused or you have any question. Just ask and you will get responses. And if the supplier is not very responsive, then it's not a good supplier. You move on and you find a different person. But it's like a difference. You guys have to understand that between business to consumer, it's a different level of service. Between business to business, it's more, you have to be more patient and work for the other business to work with you. And you just have to find a willing partner who is, a person who is willing to work with you and, meet your requirements and meet your small budget requirements and be okay with it. If it takes long time, it takes long time. You do not want to just quickly place an order without building that trust. Taking time, being patient builds trust. And it might be a little bit difficult in the start, but once you get past the first few stages, hopefully you will have made some good contacts, and contacts are everything in business. And they help you speed up the process of, working faster on different and new product ideas. Make sure you download the free guide on Alibaba that I've created for you guys and use it as a reference. So there it is, guys. Hope you found the tutorial useful, and hopefully I've made this whole platform a bit less daunting for you. If you haven't found a product idea, then look through the bestsellers on this platform, Alibaba, and you can do reverse research then on Amazon, and just set the price filters as I've shown you to whatever your limit is. If you only want to source under a certain limit, then use that. But yes, use this platform intelligently, and they've made it so convenient for international buyers to buy from China. Hope you guys found this video useful. I will see you guys next time. Bye.